Kelly, IAG steps. Got the rock sliders on it. They come from the factory with these rock sliders, which are really, I mean, they're not my favorite, but for a factory option, they're really nice. But what do we have attached to these things?
We actually have a full-on step attached to this one, which I'm actually kind of excited about. I'm interested to know more. Of course, it's not going to hold up like a traditional rock slider for you because it's just not built that way. Anywhere you look at it, anything you have to attach and is not a solid piece is going to give you a little bit of wiggle.
Right.
But I think that this would be great for your everyday, and I love that you could be able to take this off in an off-road situation.
Yeah, it seems sturdy. I like the fact, number one complaint with these rock sliders are they're not steps, which most people don't understand what they are. So the fact that our IAG has an option for them is pretty freaking cool.
Yeah, and I do know they've actually got another step modification for them that also have the option to do like your customing colors and things like that. So that's pretty cool for you to be able to accent. But they do have actual steps that you can attach to your rock sliders, just like your massive step here.
Right.
So we're going to go ahead and hopefully see these today.
All right, Kelly, I see two little interesting ideas, and I've not been on the handle train just yet, but that's not a bad way to do it.
No, it's not. You know, we've talked about, we're a little bit concerned on the safety with the handles just because they are right here in front of your airbag. It still is yet to be seen whether I trust where people are mounting these, but it is a nice option for those that are looking for it.
But what else is up there? Because that's pretty interesting.
The other thing, lots of people have concerned about the lights, the lighting in the Bronco itself. Because you've got this wide open space, you're losing a light in the middle. But guess what? IAG has come up with a resolution for you. So these lights...
better than my idea that I was going to do.
It is better than your idea, but guess what? Yours would work in the short term. This would be our long-term resolution.
Right. Those are pretty interesting. And go to IAG and check out their site.
Yeah, they're cool. I mean, I know you do.
All right, guys, cup holders. Mr. Fred here with IAG. I think you guys have cracked the code, right?
I hope.
You guys are going to really be interested in this. Now, these are prototype versions. I don't want anybody to think like this is final form, but the idea is there. So tell us why cup holders? You guys seem to have little quirky products that everybody needs that they just don't know they need.
Yeah, we're problem solvers. So they don't have a cup holder, they need a cup holder, especially if you got kids.
Right.
So our first design was this one, which would mount where these clips go.
Oh, nice, nice.
But then we realized when the seat goes down, it comes up here.
Yes, yes.
So we're like, no, that's fine. They'll pop on and off. But you got these little plastic clips. Ours obviously broke already. It's 3D printed, so it's more brittle.
Sure.
So we're like, that's not going to work.
Right.
So our second design has pins.
And remember, what you're seeing here, guys, is just prototype. This is not the final version.
So there's pins and there'll be O-rings on there, so it'll keep tension.
Okay, okay.
And then,
keep vibration down and noise down.
Yep, and then so it just doesn't fall off.
Okay.
This piece just pops off.
Oh, wow.
And then we use 2 existing screws to mount it.
Okay, so there it's going to be a no drill option.
Yep.
Perfect.
So then that just snaps back on. You can lay your seat down.
Oh, nice.
Oh, look at that. That is perfect and well thought out, because a lot of people would have just been like, they can't lay their seat down now. But you guys seem to really go into detail with that.
And that just pops back on.
Okay, you got any questions?
I will just say you've got a corner on the market because we installed a 67 Designs Bronco rail and you had to put you had to put 1 screw in on each side. And our viewers were like, "You're crazy! I'm never putting a screw in there." So the fact that you're using factory screws is huge.
Yeah, we definitely don't want you having to drill in your car.
No.
So
well, we've got your soft top strut there, and we've really enjoyed that. And I really like how you guys, when somebody said, "Hey, they're scratching something," you guys like instantly nice emails you sent out to everybody without asking. You sent the replacement parts, and that's the kind of company you want to deal with, because you know we all. Life is crazy and things happen, and you fix that problem without anybody asking. So, guys, when this comes out, what are we thinking time frame?
Hopefully 2 months or so.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, perfect for summer.
Yeah.
Perfect
We're
for
working
summer.
on it.
So be sure to keep checking up. I'm sure you're on all the forums. I've seen you're going to throw out the updates. So I know I want to be the first, but I'm sure I won't be. But go check these out. It's fixed the problem. If you got cloth seats or just the marine grade vinyl, if I can say it, there's no cup holders, and I think this is a better solution than what Ford did anyways, because those are barely cup holders. All right, Kelly, it's happened to us again.
Imagine that.
Man, I want to say thank you to IAG for walking us around their booth and just talking to us. The cup holders are game changer.
You know I've been complaining about it, and guess what? Somebody's come up with a resolution that works for me.
That's right. So, well, it happened. We ended up buying some product. That's right, buying product. We do not ask for things. Yes. We like to buy our products and give you an honest review. So, we'll see how these things go. You guys know I've been a little iffy on these handles, how they attach, and I'm going to give you an honest review about it. So whether it be two-wheel drive, it does not matter what you drive. This has been your All-Terrain Nation, and you can grab on our truck now because we are out. Peace, everybody. Love y'all.